don't mix mesh with something like this, which is Powerline or HomePlug. Actually, the initial firmware seemed to be happy with this, but some update later, and then it wouldn't. It would just shut down the wireless. So it would start up when you initially booted the router, and then it would just literally shut down within within a minute. Anyway, if you disconnected this and reset the router, it would work. So the answer is basically you buy another one of these, which is the same as the router Wi-Fi, and then you make that a mesh, join it to the network. You press 5 times on the reset, and then there's a link I can put in the description, which allows you to set up a node. So you then have a wireless node, and you don't have this at all. And so you discard this, and everything will work fine. And you just set it up using the app. I used a link in the description below to set it up initially manually, and then use the app, which works very well when you want to set up and administrate your network. Anyway, all working, excellent.